Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to download Netflix application for Android device. In this video, we are going to show you how to download the Netflix app on Android device. So let's get going. Netflix is an American entertainment service provider where you can enjoy movies, TV shows, and other services of series online by signing up with an account. So to download a Netflix app on your device, go to Google Play Store on your device, then tap on the search box at the top and enter Netflix. Netflix here is now one of the most searched apps, so you will find it at the top. So here comes the Netflix. Now you need to install this app on your device. So tap on the install button and wait for it to download and be installed in your device. So it has been downloaded and now installing on your device. Once the installation process is complete, you can find the Netflix app on your device. So now you can tap on the open button to open the Netflix app, or you can go back and check here the Netflix has been installed. Tap on Netflix. Like this, you have downloaded the Netflix app for your Android device here on your mobile phone. Now you can sign into your account and then watch and enjoy the movies, TV shows online on your device. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.